What's going on, people? Double R Ice Gang Flemily Records. Do not own the rights to this beat. There's a lot of rhetoric going on about the kid out there, you know what I mean? But I ain't really stressing it, you know? Shit. It's a true saying now. Those that say they're your family, not your family, man. After all these years and shit like that, you know, shit bother the nigga, you know? But get through it and all that and all that. I'm 46 years old, dog. You know what I mean? Like I said, shout out to Ice, rest in peace. Remo, don't believe anything you hear, baby. I mean, I love you to death, boy. First nigga on the scene. I ain't even make it in the crib. Ask your mother-in-law. Anyway, it is what it is. Believe what you want to believe. I love you to death. Ice, rest in peace, baby. To all my family that consider themselves my family, thank you. I love y'all. Double R, y'all know that ain't red. I'm still out nobody's house, boy. Anyway, I do not own the rights to this beat.
Needles, essential for sewing, but maybe not for people with certain inflammatory conditions, because there are options, like an
Red. Used to see so much love amongst their families and friends, yeah. Now look at here today. Everybody's hating, everybody's plotting, everybody's trying to judge one another. How could you take those guys shopping? Yeah, take your shit on hearsay. See, you're the opposition to me, red rain. I don't really give a damn. I'm always by myself, yeah. If don't fuck with me, I don't fuck with you. No, I can never hate you. I can never call you out your name. How could you, when you're talking, yeah. I would never forgive you, I would never forgive you. Blame all of love for doubting me, and not accepting me as yours. You denounce me, yeah, deny me. Rest in peace, Ronnie Angel. Ronnie Angel. Ronnie, you can't take it from me. You're hating on me because of my name. Respect this man standing here. Respect the man that dead and gone. Oh, daddy, rest in peace. Big Ronnie Angel. Ooh, yeah. Dis-toi me. We're gonna miss all of y'all. We're gonna miss all of y'all. But the things that's going on out here, we will see each other again soon. Oh, I miss you. Can't wait to see you. Miss me when I'm gone, yeah. Remo, I did not rob you, never took nothing from you, yeah. I came to rescue you and save you. Ooh, believe what you want, yeah. Mama knows, Ice knows, yeah. time when I took something out your house. No, 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 no. You know that's not me. It never been me. You. No, 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 no. Yeah, them all ice game funny records. Like I said, you can fuck what y'all say. Ain't no shit. You know what I mean? You nigga, I will never forgive you. Hold up, denounce me, nigga.